Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to day number 9, vlog number 9, losing weight on a cruise ship. Hope you enjoyed the little collage of activities that went on during day 9. It's a almost the end of the cruise. This is going to be a sea day today. And let's go over the numbers. Let's start off with the blood sugar. In the morning it was 321, which gave me an A1C of 11.26. In the evening it was 337, and that gave me an A1C of 11.27. Blood pressure for the day. In the morning it was 130, 87, 88. And in the evening it was 143, 86, 98. Ended up day 9 with a total of 4,336 steps. And our weight started off the day with 309.8. And next weigh-in was 311.9. So we gained 2.1 pounds for the day, and overall we're sitting at a gain of 3 pounds even for the total cruise. So we're going back and forth. It seems like everything's kind of staying in check and everything, but I'm also increasing my water consumption. So that may have a factor in some of the roller coaster rides, but we'll see what happens this week. Tomorrow's going to be day 10, which is going to be back in Galveston. We're going to be in, it's an embarkation day, so we'll be setting off on the final cruise of this leg, which will give us 14 days. So we've got 5 days to turn this around, and I got some ideas, and we'll see if it works. But anyways, appreciate you guys stopping in and taking a walk with me through my daily activities here on the Carnival Breeze. And we'll see you again tomorrow for day 10 on losing weight on a cruise ship. Have a great day.